Hey, this is Ish, and today I wanted to talk to you about the Manipura Chakra, which is the third chakra. And this chakra is located in your solar plexus area, which is just below your sternum. And the qualities that are associated with this chakra are strength, power, and control. So these are obviously very good qualities to have, and they manifest as courage, having your will, asserting your will to others, personal power, empowerment, and self-sufficiency. However, when this chakra is overactive and in imbalance, this actually manifests as arrogance, controlling behavior, aggressiveness, and basically a bully type of energy, someone who is bossing people around and being very aggressive to others. Conversely, when someone is lacking in this energy, they have behavior that manifests as weakness, cowardly energy, not having the basic strength to overcome addictions or desire-based activities. So someone who is just focused on their addictions and don't have the strength to power through that, they could be said to be lacking in this third chakra energy. And if you also think of someone who is described as the sensitive new age person, they are lacking in this energy, just the energy to set boundaries and to basically be more tough. And that's just a sign that they have too little of this energy. So there are a couple things you can do to work on this chakra. So if you are looking into different yoga poses, these would be typically poses that involve your core area and also involve strength as well. So this would include poses such as Navasana, the boat pose. You can also do wheel pose, any kind of arm balance. These are very good poses for building your strength and confidence. And also if you engage the first three chakras, these are known as the Konda or Hara in Japanese. That would be the first, second, and third chakra. If you're able to really engage your core, that would basically count on working on this chakra. And if you want to take it one step above, you can also use a Bij mantra. So that's basically you would chant Ram, so that's R-A-M. So you chant Ram, Ram, Ram while you do these specific poses. Conversely, if you need to release the excess energy, excess third chakra energy, you can chant Ah, so it's A-H. So while you do these poses, you can chant Ah, and that would basically release that energy. So other things you can do is to basically involve yourself in any kind of strength-based activities. So this would include weightlifting or martial arts. Funny enough, when you think of Zen monks, you think of them to be very still and serene and not very aggressive. But actually in the olden times, they actually mixed swordsmanship, kendo, and also martial arts to different monks just to build that aggressive energy. And this is something that's very common because oftentimes you want to have that balance of both strong energy in your third chakra mixed with the meditative practices so you don't become that sensitive new age person, right? Now, since this chakra is associated with personal power and self-improvement, there are certain things you can do energetically or just through your actions that can help work on this chakra. So the first thing you can do is set clear goals and work towards achieving them. So this is something that I personally didn't do too well when I was a bit younger. So setting goals and accomplishing them gave me a sense of security and power, self-power, just because I know that I can set goals and achieve them. And then also another thing would be setting boundaries. So just having clear rules on what you will accept and won't accept. And oftentimes you'll find that people who are unable to express their boundaries and rules can easily feel insecure and also get bullied by others. So this means that they are lacking in this third chakra energy. So by setting clear boundaries and guidelines on how you expect to be treated by others can help work on this chakra. And the last thing I would recommend is also just taking risks. So part of this chakra includes courage and the strength to take risks and action. So you want to build up your courage by setting small goals for yourself, some small risks that you want to take. So some action that you're really afraid of, but you know you can do it. And then once you have taken that action, you'll find that all that fears associated with that action has gone away, and you actually build more strength and confidence and trust in yourself. So those are my tips, and I hope this helps. Thank you.